you.
Do you like electric cars? Because I don't. No, I'm just kidding. Electric cars, are they good or are they bad? For me, I used to not like electric cars, but the more I drive them, I kind of understand the benefits of them. However, you need the right electric car. And I think Kia just kind of hit the nail on the head. This is the EV9. This is kind of like a minivan electric car that's really luxurious. It costs almost $80,000. I've been driving this car for the past week now, and honestly, I'm not really sure yet. I want to get your opinion. So let's hop in. Let's go check out this car. The steering wheel is very weird, but like most EVs have weird steering wheels. I like this right here because there's no other car where I could just put my hands right here and just like steer. Yeah. This screen though, this might be one of the best infotainments I've ever experienced. This is really quick. The design's really good. The quality is insane. One thing I really wish every car had, if you're not using it, you can just hide it away.
Dude, I love that.
It's great. I don't know why every car does not have this. And this is like a smaller cup holder. Here, put yours there.
Oh, shit. Ah! This is the first press car that we've gotten that we could fit both of our water bottles in the cup holders.
This gear selector is very weird. You click down here to turn on, and that's drive, that's reverse. It takes a little getting used to, but for someone like their first time getting in this car, they're like, where's the start button? And actually I did that too.
That's really cool.
It really is cool. I've never seen a key like this before. All the buttons are on that side and that side.
Is that to pull it out of a parking space?
Should we try a pull-out game on the Kia?
Now what happens? What happens when I do this?
That was kind of close, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of takes a minute, but like it's cool. And like, dude, there's no driver in there.
Dude,
it's
you're
cool.
taking the Kia EV9 for a walk.
It was supposed to stop.
On another note, the paint's really nice.
Every non-car person who has seen this car has complimented this color. I also really like these door handles. They're kind of flush and then they pop out. It's just a really premium feeling car. Again, yes, $80,000 for a Kia.
Well, is this specific one $80,000 or do they start at $80,000?
This specific one is...
The infotainment's really, really good, but you're gonna have to sell me on why it's $80,000.
Let's go for a drive. Let's go see how the car actually feels on the road, and let's go collect our thoughts. We gotta go to the dealerships today anyways, so let's go road trip this car to New York City. Let's go to the dealerships. So we'll get to see how this car actually drives. We're stuck in traffic, as we guessed. You can't drive to New York City and not be stuck in traffic.
But this isn't even like the New York City traffic. We're still in Jersey.
These are the most comfy headrests.
Yeah.
This car has what's called ergo motion seats, and you could do the pelvic, the lumbar, or the whole body. But it's not actually like a massage. The seat just kind of like moves around. It's weird, and it's only for the driver. They said screw the passenger, only the driver is in for it.
All I have is...
It also has the digital rearview mirror, which I love. This is something that's been making me not like electric vehicles. However, this car has kind of fixed that issue, and that's charging. They take forever to charge. Yeah. Even on the level 3 chargers, they take like 45 minutes to an hour. This car charges really quick. It went from 30 to 80% in 24 minutes.
Dude, it took the last car like an hour.
And I found out why. It's because the car doesn't accept as much voltage into the battery where this one does. In my mind, that's like the one thing electric cars have been missing, at least all the ones that we've been testing, and this one fixes that. It solves
the main problem.
75% of the issues of why would you ever buy one of these? Every electric car has brake regenerative, but there's this little paddle shifter here. If I click it, it slows the car down, and I don't have to click on the brake pedal. It's kind of cool. Ready? I'm gonna ride this guy's ass, and then boom. The car just slowed down without me having to click the brake. It helps a lot for recharging the battery. But I think that's part of the reason why I'm getting such good range. So you know what this car is really designed for? Sitting at the charging station. Think about it. Why else would you need reclining seats in both the front and the back and tray tables?
Oh, they thought about it.
And these ergonomic seats. Why else would a driver's seat recline? We've been testing out a lot of self-driving cars lately. There's two different things you could do with this. Either you could have the car just steer for you and you still control the braking and the gas, which I think is really cool. Car steering for me right now. Or I could turn on the cruise control and it just does this thing. This has to be one of the best self-driving cruise controls I've ever experienced. This does a really good job, and you don't have to put your hand on the steering wheel every 15 seconds like all the other brands. Is it as good as Tesla or the Super Cruise? I don't think it's quite there. Super Cruise was really good to the fact where it would switch lanes for you and go around slow moving traffic. The city is just a wild place. Dude, we should get halal food later. Street food in New York City is the best.
It is really good.
I want some right now. No, we gotta work. We gotta work first and then eat.
So this is how we do the unwrapping videos.
Oh, this piece is gonna sound nice. So our clients were nice enough to let us use this beautiful rooftop. So we need to shoot a short form content on this guy. The short form content for me at least is what gets all the views. We need a nice backdrop. This car goes back tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so this is like our last opportunity. What better opportunity than right now?
Great chance to do it. We got chicken parm hero, kept it classy today. Went to a new place, wasn't sure how good they are, so you gotta keep it safe. Get a chicken parm.
You know it's good when the wrapper could barely hold us together. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate you. We love you. Goodbye.